evening. My name is Craig Carter. I'm the Associate Circuit Judge of Douglas County, Missouri, and I'm running for Circuit Judge for this circuit. That would be Wright, Douglas, and Ozark counties. Folks, I haven't had a chance to meet a lot of you. If I might just take a few seconds and give you a little bit of my background. I grew up south of Mansfield on 5 Highway, graduated school in Mansfield. When I got out of school, I went and joined the United States Army. I spent about 6 years, on active duty and about 7 in the Guard and Reserve. I was assigned to the 2nd Ranger Battalion at Fort Lewis, Washington, and then 10th, 12th, and 20th Special Forces groups. As far as deployments overseas, for those that keep track, I was in the invasion of Panama and then some stuff in Kosovo, as well as some other deployments as well. When I got done, I used the GI Bill to attend college and then went to law school, practiced law up in Springfield for a while. When the judge in Douglas County retired, I got appointed by Governor Matt Blunt and have been the Associate Circuit Judge there for 7 years. I'm down in Ozark County at least once a month, sometimes more. It depends on whether we have jury trials, what's going on. Trial court judges here in Missouri, we wind up meeting each other, coming and going. We get assigned all over the place, so I have beaten that road pretty flat between Ava and Gainesville on 5 Highway. Hopefully most of you don't know much about being in the courthouse, especially being in the courtroom. Folks, I've been there for 7 years. In so doing, I've picked up a lot of experience. 7 years as a trial court judge, I've handled thousands of cases. I have tried, in those 7 years, jury trials, criminal cases, DWI cases, medical malpractice cases, personal injury cases, breach contract cases, employment discrimination cases. The list goes on. The Supreme Court has assigned me some cases that were amazingly, some were amazingly simple, some of them were on the other end. Folks, I've had from small claims cases to having to kick elected officials out of office. It has, well, folks, it's just some days are good, some days are pretty rough. Folks, I would hate to even try to count how many family law cases, custody cases I've tried. Through that entire time, I've tried to do a couple of things. I've tried to treat everybody as if they had a soul, and I've tried to make sure that the courtroom is run in a fair manner. I think that everybody, well, the Constitution mandates it, but I think that everybody deserves the right to have their day in court, no matter what the case is against them, and that's the way I've tried to run it. Folks, I'm not going to take up too much time. We have a bunch of candidates here. They all, you guys deserve to hear from every one of them. It has been a pleasure to meet you. I'm going to be around here all night. If you have any questions, I would humbly ask all of you for your vote. Thank you very much.